What are you doing? Are you going to splash in the puddles or are you done?
It's a tail. It says jingle, jingle. It's making with up.
What you doing?
I'm playing in water.
Oh, show me.
Okay, here.
Over there.
Up there.
Okay. Go show me. Show me how you do it. How do you play in the water? Are you done? You want to come inside? You're done splashing in puddles? Can you show me one more time how you splash in the puddles? Yeah? Go show me. Show me which puddle you like. Which puddle's your favorite?
This puddle.
No, that one's muddy. Go to the sidewalk one.
This puddle.
No, that one's too little and muddy. Can you show me a big puddle? Yeah, there's one over there. Go to it. Go to it. Let's go see. Okay, I'll follow you. Oh, not in that one. That one's too muddy. This one's big though, right here. Behind you. Yeah. No, that one's really muddy and deep. I don't want you to go in that one. You'll get all wet. Your pants will get wet. Just stay on the sidewalk. Lily, you told me you would stay on the sidewalk. You're not being a very good example. Reggie, no, I don't want you in that puddle. It's too big. No, you're going to get your boots and your feet all wet. Come back.
No.
Turn around. Yeah, over here in the sidewalk. Do it again. Splashy, splashy. Katie, don't get in that big puddle. Stay on the sidewalk. Come on. Okay. Come on. Reggie, no. Come back on the sidewalk or we have to go in the house. Come on. Yep, that one's too little. Come on. Yeah, it's becoming quite wet out here, isn't it? Maybe we should go in the house.
Yeah, it's becoming
You done jumping? You're done? Yeah, it did last time it rained like this. Come on, let's go inside. Lily, you're getting all dirty. I think that's enough nature for this for now. Yeah. Are your hands cold? Let's go inside. It's alright, they'll be okay. Yep. Come on, let's go in. Yeah, it got all muddy. Come on, let's go in the house. Let's not make it more muddy. There we go. Bye-bye, rain. Let's go in the house.